Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to change the language on RedNote to English. If you're struggling with the default language, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. To begin, ensure you have the RedNote app installed. Once ready, follow these steps. 1. Open the RedNote app, which will take you to the home page. 2. Tap on the Me section at the bottom left corner of the screen. 3. In the Me section, locate the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and tap on it. 4. In the Settings menu, select General Settings. 5. At the top of the General Settings, you'll find the Languages option. Tap on it. 6. From the list of available languages, select English if it's not already set. 7. Tap Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your RedNote app will now switch to English, making it easier to navigate and use. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. Feel free to share any questions or feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.